Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about the low carbohydrate vegetables. Generally, low carbohydrate vegetables are taken to reduce various diseases like diabetes and hypertension. And eating low carbohydrate vegetables helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by reducing the levels of cholesterol as well as triglycerides. And those who want to have weight loss can take low carbohydrate vegetables because eating low carbohydrate vegetables helps in reducing the appetite and helps in weight loss. And people with keto diet, low carbohydrate vegetable is one of the choice. Coming to the list of low carbohydrate vegetables, first one is asparagus. Asparagus contains 4 grams of carbohydrate and is rich in vitamin K, C, iron, zinc and potassium. And most important is asparagus is very rich in folic acid, which is an important nutrition in pregnancy. Second one is radish. In radish, carbohydrate content is 3 to 4 grams and it is rich in vitamin A, E, C, B6 and K and is very rich in many minerals like iron, copper, calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, etc. And eating radish regularly helps in reducing the blood pressure and helps in reducing the diabetes. And in people who have kidney disease, radish is a good choice because it helps in reducing the kidney disorders. Next one is tomato. Tomato carbohydrate content is 4 grams. In tomato is very rich in lycopene, which helps in reduces the risk of heart disease and in cancer as well as diabetes. Fourth one is mushroom. Carbohydrate content in mushroom is 4 grams and is very rich in proteins, fibers, as well as mushroom is rich in a powerful antioxidant called selenium, which helps in improving the immune system in our body. And eating mushroom daily helps in reducing the risk of cancer as it reduces the size of tumor cells. Fifth one is broccoli. Carbohydrate content in broccoli is 5 grams and broccoli is rich with fibers, proteins, selenium, iron, calcium and magnesium. Broccoli is a very important vegetable for who wants to have weight loss because broccoli helps you to eat less while feeling fuller. And because of high fiber content in broccoli, it reduces the risk of heart diseases and also reduces the blood sugar levels. Also, next comes the cauliflower. Carbohydrate content in cauliflower is 5 grams and cauliflower is rich in fibers, vitamin B as well as nutrients. Next comes the cabbage. Cabbage contains 6 grams of carbohydrates and is rich in nutrients as well as vitamin K. Eating cabbage helps in improving the digestion. Next comes the eggplant, which is nothing but the brinjal. Brinjal contains 6 grams of carbohydrate and is rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating brinjal every day prevents the heart disease and also improves digestion and improves the bone health as well as for proper functioning of our brain. Eggplant is a most important low carb vegetable. Next comes the lady's finger. Carbohydrate content in lady's finger is 7 grams. Eating lady's fingers regularly helps to reduce the diabetes and also reduces the risk of heart diseases. And in women, eating lady's finger, especially a pregnant woman, helps in the growth of fetus. And lady's finger also reduces the risk of colon cancer, as well as eating lady's finger helps in improving the hemoglobin levels, thereby helps in people with anemia. Next comes the onion. Carbohydrate content in onion is 9 grams. Onion is rich in antioxidants, which helps to reduce the diabetes and also it reduces the risk of heart disease. Next comes the spinach. Carbohydrate content in spinach is 7 grams and is rich with vitamin K, A as well as vitamin C. Eating spinach regularly helps in maintaining a proper bone density. It improves the bone health. Next one is beetroot. Carbohydrate content in beetroot is 10 grams. Beetroot is rich with fibers, folic acid as well as potassium. Main component in beetroot is nitrates. Because of the presence of nitrates in the beetroot, it helps to reduce the blood pressure, and also it reduces the risk of heart diseases. Next comes the capsicum. Capsicum contains 9 grams of carbohydrates and is rich with vitamin A, C, as well as antioxidants as well as beta carotene. Those who wants to have a glowing skin, eating capsicum regularly will help in providing a glowing skin, as also eating capsicum helps in reducing the risk of cancer, and also it provides a healthy heart. Next comes the cucumber. Carbohydrate content in cucumber is 11 grams. Eating cucumber regularly reduces the cholesterol levels and also blood sugar levels. Cucumber is a low carbohydrate vegetable who are suffering with joint pains as well as arthritis. Presence of high silica in cucumber gives a silky hair, and cucumber it helps in digestion. Next comes the beans. Carbohydrate content in beans is 18 grams, and it's very rich in fiber, proteins, vitamins, etc. And eating beans helps to reduce the cholesterol level and also reduces the blood sugar levels. I hope this video is helpful for the people who wants to have a weight loss as well as who are in keto diet. Have a safe day. Thank you for watching.